How can we answer our inner voice that says that it's still too early to tend to turn to the Creator, that I don't yet have a true drive, a true deficiency, so that I can wait longer? Accumulation, how do you say it? That I need to accumulate the pains, the demand, and then turn to Him. What can we do? What kind of an answer can we give this inner voice so we rise above it and nevertheless turn in a way that it's as if our true deficiency, that we've reached the end of our resources. Because if we wait, we will never reach that point that is the last one, the final one. And always more will to receive will come and cover it up and say, oh, it's not too bad, you don't need it that badly still. Your plea is still not a true one. And indeed, it's not a true one because if I feel that it's not so, what do? Turn nevertheless. Why? How will I how will I turn as though it's flattery? It's a lie. So how can I turn if I don't have a true deficiency? But nevertheless, we need to do it. How do we organize all of this? Talk about this whole situation.